Best darn French fries in the world, man. These are good. Alexia sweet potatoes, spicy from Kroger's. Jeez, these are good. I put these in the new wave oven. These taste like the best French fries in the world. Go to AlexiaFood.com. That's AlexiaFoods.com. Get some of these sweet potato French fries, gluten free. And also, don't forget Golden Farms Vidalia sauce on it. Now I'm going to show you how to eat these. First, you pop them in the new wave oven for about 10 minutes. They get done really easy, so make sure you don't burn them. Whoop. And then what you're going to want to do is look at this. You're going to want to put, I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't. Sorry, you can't see it. Hold on a minute. There you are. Oh. There we are. Okay. You're going to want to put like so. And then you munch. I can eat these all day and all night. This is for all you French fry lovers. You don't know how good this tastes. Just needed you guys to know that. Pretty good. Pretty darn good. Where's my drink? Can't forget the secret sauce, man. That's about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys tonight. Get some. It's good. Gotta get some of that. Well, fellas, that's about it for tonight. Have a good night. Peace.